The creek is one of my favorite places to explore. There's so much to see and find here. And in your activity kit, you have a number of tools to help you out. So the first one is a net to help you maybe catch some larger creatures. And then you also have a variety of different containers that you can use to get a closer look at some of those creatures that you find. And you also have this sheet here that shows you different creatures and can help you identify them. So these are some of the smaller creatures that you might find on the bottom of rocks. So with that, you want to remember to look at all different kinds of places when you're exploring the creek. So not just in the water, but under the rocks and on the sides of the creek as well, because there's different creatures in those different areas. And also while you're looking for creatures, you may find some fossils. So the back of this handout has some information on different fossils that you can check out. So get out, explore, and let us know what you find.